I'm gonna ask you something. Do you guys feel scared a little bit about the future regarding developers? My opinion is that the people who have heard saying that AI will replace developers actually have no idea what developer is about. You know, what developers are actually doing every single day. Most of the time, we are not actually typing code on the keyboard. Most of the time, we are trying to understand the business requirements and how exactly that will be translated to software. You know what I mean? Yeah, Ishmael, I totally agree with you. Which AI can replace writing code, but not engineers. Yeah, there will still be a need for someone to translate business requirements to actual software, basically. Now, undeniably, I feel like overall, thanks to AI, engineering and computer science overall based positions are going to increase the quality of deliver, because software engineers like me and you, we are going to spend undeniably less time actually typing code. So I think like the quality of delivery of all these companies is going to improve, but meaning that companies will have more time and also more money to actually hire more people. For real developers, I do feel it's a real problem though, because I don't know what you feel, but I really learn when I struggle with things. And if AI will just solve all your problems, you will actually never learn the generated code by the AI, and potentially that makes you feel that or over time will not make you learn those things. You know what I mean? That's what I feel at the moment. And even like when you hear people saying that I've replaced my engineers with this AI assistant, which is just like a software engineer, I haven't seen like a real world use case of that. You know what I mean? It's literally impossible to replace a human by a prompt. You know what I mean? I don't think they know what they are saying. That's why when I was in, I don't know if you guys have heard, you see like the guy who have done Facebook saying that mid-level engineers will be replaced by AI. I mean, obviously the guy have done like crazy claims already. For example, the metaverse that would replace like any kind of social interaction by this point, and he didn't. Like, there's no metaverse. Like, I haven't seen anyone with glasses outside. And the guy have said that AI would replace mid-level engineers like in 1 year or two. The guy is like, it's just out of his mind, in my opinion. You know what I mean? He has no idea, like, already at this point what he's saying. That's just my opinion. Now, something we have to understand a little bit is that there is this culture of spreading fear. I don't know if you guys feel this, but I feel like in the last 7 years, there is always something that is trying to scare it out of us. Don't you guys feel that a little bit? Do you guys remember, for example, when Web3 was supposed to be the thing? And like all things would be Web3 at this point. And like, what is Web3? What is Web3? Like, what is at Web3? Like, nobody, I haven't seen it. Like, what is, you know what I mean? It really feels like at some point this AI bubble will just blow up a little bit, because many of these companies like OpenAI are getting crazy valuations, but not actually delivering, the money to the investors. And at some point this will just boom, you know what I mean? That's what I feel about.